Hi everyone, today is gonna be coconut rice and fish sauce. I'm going to be using basmati long gravy for this recipe, and this is my coconut milk, and I'm going to be using melusa fish, and I'm going to be rough blending some onions and peppers, and I'm using dry prawns, curry powder, salt and 1 star cube, and I'm going to be blending 1 can tomatoes, and I'm using tomato puree, grounded crayfish, sunflower oil. So now we're going to start by parboiling our rice. Just added water to my rice, put it together. I'm going to be parboiling it. Now my rice has been brought to a boil, so I'm going to be washing it out of camera. See, that's my rice. Just poured in my coconut milk. Add a little bit of salt and 1 full onions, diced onions. Put it together, cover and let it cook. This my fish already washed and clean, and I sliced them. Now I'm going to add fish spice, powder seasoning, and a little bit of salt. Put it together, let it marinate for 5 minutes. If you have time, you can let it stay longer. Added oil to my pan, heat it up, add onions, and I'm going to be frying the fish. And as that is busy, pour a little bit of oil to another pan, add in sliced onions, heat it up for few seconds, pour in my rough blended peppers and onions, add more dry chili pepper to it, 2 teaspoons of that, added powdered garlic and ginger, add in my tomato paste, fry it together 5 minutes, pour in my blended tomatoes, dry prawns in, curry, salt, and 1 star cube. Just put it all together and let it fry. Added grounded crayfish and let it fry together for 10 minutes. My fish is ready. Just pour in my fish. It's so easy to put together. Put it together, let it cook together 5 minutes, then it's ready. Now my rice is ready, the sauce is ready. Now it's eating time, and I hope I make this as easy as possible for you guys. And thank you so much for joining. This food came out so yummy. Love you guys. Bye.